Today's topic is about suicide. Suicide is something that not many people talks about. It's kind of taboo subject. Although according to WHO report, approximately 800,000 people commit suicide every year, which means one person in every 40 seconds kills himself. This report is enough to talk about suicide. But why do people voluntarily kill themselves? What is the reason? The most obvious answer, it may seem, is that when death is easier than life, or when one does not know why to live. As Nietzsche said, he who has why to live can bear almost any how, and those who don't know why to live, then finding how is a forgotten possibility, and maybe they are the one who commit suicide. Thought of suicide has come to us all in our life. Who has not asked himself that what is the meaning of our life? As Carl Jung said, when I think of my patient, they all seek their own existence, and to assure their existence against that complete atomization into nothingness or into meaninglessness, man cannot stand a meaningless life. We all are trying to find meaning in our life. Some find it through religion, some through love and lover, some through family, some find it from science, from art, from business. All human are trying to find meaning in their life, and when they can't able to find meaning, or their previous meaning gives them only pain and suffering, like betrayed by gods, betrayed by family, by lover, betrayed by his own intelligence, betrayed by life itself. Then, only then did they lose hope, scared or tired of finding new meaning. Although meaning is necessary for him to live, he gave up the concept of meaning itself, maybe become a nihilist, a person who gave up on life. Danger of nihilism is more for rational men than irrational one. As religion will not be able to satisfy the thirst of rational men, there are chances that they become atheist. Since resonance, atheism has grown significantly. There are more atheists in this world right now than in any time in history. But what happens when one make a philosophy out of atheism? The inescapable pit is nihilism. If we take science as an example, we are in a planet which is part of a solar system. Solar system is a part of galaxy. Galaxy itself is a part of cluster. Cluster in turn is a part of supercluster, and so on. Which means our thoughts and action are meaningless in the context of this grand universe. Gone are those days when we were told by religion that we are at the center of this universe. Aha, what meaning it used to give us, that we all have roles to play. But science steals those feelings from us by its facts. Why care about facts if it's failed to make our life any good? Man need both facts and feeling to live a stable life. Nihilist, a mortally wearied soul, a suffering soul, thought of suicide as an escape. But thought of suicide is not necessarily a bad thing. Not every thought manifests itself in behavior. As Nietzsche once pointed out, the thought of suicide is a great consolation. By means of it, one gets successful through many a bad night. What bad is when we prefer a handful of certainty to a whole cartload of beautiful possibility. We think about what certainly may be bad happens in our past and make it the center of our life. But what about those beautiful cartload of possibility that can happen in our future? Think about it.